So most persons don't really know how to paraphrase their work when they are trying to copy from another person's project, or how to humanize their project when they are using AI to write their project work. If you don't do one of these things, if you should put it on Turnitin, it's going to like bounce by, going to like flag as AI, or probably you copy someone's work. So plagiarism, it's called plagiarism. I don't know if that's correct, if I pronounced it well. So yeah, that's it. But I'm going to show you guys how you can bypass these two steps. Yeah, how you can well, I say, not like bypass, basically how you can avoid this how you can avoid Turnitin bounce to your project by not giving you pass mark also, or giving you a very high um plagiarism score. So if you have like, if your plagiarism score is very high, probably they know that you copied it. So let me just teach you guys how you can do it, how you can like have a very low plagiarism score. So let's say for example you are using AI to write your project work. I'm going to show you how you can humanize your text. First of all, I'll be using keyboard to do all of these things. You don't have to be jumping from one website to another. So I'll be using keyboard for all of these things. So like let's get into it. So I've already asked ChatGPT to like write a particular project for me. So I wanted to write a project on human behavior. ChatGPT have written everything for me. So introduction and everything. Now I cannot just copy this thing and put on my project work. For example, let's say I'm writing a project on human behavior. I cannot just copy all this thing and put on my project work. My lecturers are going to know that I copied, I used AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all copy this thing, one of these texts, like little by little. Since I'm using keyboard like the free version, I'm just going to like go to AI humanizer on keyboard first of all. Then I'm going to humanize this text. I'm going to like humanize you, then click on humanize. So you just wait for it to do its work. Then you're going to create a separate Word document. So this is a blank document. This is where I'm like putting my project and all. This is where I want to probably write my project. So I'm just going to create a blank document, this particular blank document. Then when I get my humanized text from AI, that's the introduction, I'm just going to copy. So instead of copying from this ChatGPT directly, this introduction directly, I'm just going to first of all copy from ChatGPT, put on my humanizer, then copy the humanized text, copy it, then go to my project work. Where is it? Sorry. So this is my project work. I'm just going to paste. So this is the new version that I have. So I'm just going to paste it there. Let me drag it here. Then I'll go back to the ChatGPT again, copy the other ones, just be copy them like that. Then you go to keyboard, then humanize. So that's one for AI. So if you're copying from AI on your project work, you can just copy from AI, then you humanize and paste on your project. You can still go further by, after you've humanizing, you can copy this particular text and say, oh, you want to paraphrase it. So you're going to go to paraphrase. Then let's say you want to paraphrase it. I'm just going to copy this one, then I'll paraphrase. So here's it. You can make the text more fluent, like you can change some certain things: formal, academic, simple, creative, expansion. So you can filter through all these things so it will give you the tone that you want. So yeah, that's for you using AI to write your project work, then using keyboard to humanize the text first, then you paraphrase before you use for your original project work. So when you don't upload on Turnitin to bounce back. Now I'm going to show you the other way. Let's say for example they give you a sample for your project that, or you have to probably use a reference on someone, you want to like copy their work. So if you want to copy anybody's work online, here's what you're going to do. You're first of all going to just copy their work, like copy it as normal text. When you're done copying, then you paraphrase. Let's say for example this particular project work is another person's work. but I want to use this first sentence on my own work. I'm not just going to copy directly like this. Copy then paste. If I paste it that way, the plagiarism test will be very high. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to like copy this, copy the particular text, then go to AI, go to keyboard. Then I'm going to click on paraphraser. So you see this paraphraser, so I'm going to clear this text, delete. Then I'll put in new text. It will be on paraphraser. Then I'll paraphrase. So immediately I paraphrase here, I can now copy this one and use for my own project work so that the plagiarism score will be very very low. So yeah, I if you find this very helpful, yeah, do it to subscribe. So I'll be giving you more videos, more websites that can be helpful to you, not just academic, in terms of real life coding and any skill that you do. So that will be all for today, and thank you for staying till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.